they tell you say get 2 streams of income. You no go get one before you get 2. The only stream where there is Nigeria na stream of joy. What God cannot do, I go lie for you. Even freedom way, traffic day. Why do they call am freedom way? And they tell you, say, how much for a night? He say 150,000 for natural resources given to us by nation. Now my pig don't stand, though your own just flat. God. Now I tell the guys, say, anywhere I come, now come. I left that wicked farm city. I go to Total, celebrate grace. Baba, Sangote do boys. Baba, when you sleep with an older woman, you understand sexual transaction. We don't sleep with the woman. In the morning, I pay her 25 back. She said she give me one small infection. I said, don't bother yourself. I use 20K to cure her. 45,000, I remember 105. I put her for Bitcoin. It rise. Sense.
M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.
Ah, I did. See, I said, I'm serious. The way it's man funny. What's funny? Me, where they find who I want to sleep with this night. And they go through a lot. Baba, the way things cost now, if now Timaya be plantain sell like for no make am. Plantain now they very expensive. That. See M.O.P. sleep of tongue. M.O.P. forehead be like Nigeria economy. You don't go understand that. Make come on cap, your eye go clear. Asoro, my guy, DJ, thank you for sponsoring. The way you like M.O.P., you want to sleep with her. Everywhere powered by M.O.P. For my picture, say they write powered by DJ. You be NEPA. Papa, you way dey close to DJ. The share say you don't come out. You just say you never make am. You just the one associate with people who don't make am. Give big man space. Invest in BTC. Now I go to tell you, say stay with me, I'll make it. Baba, no we are there. Nigeria is in a state of shetima now. Baba, things don't cost. Even I go save, no fee save money now. Ha! See people where they say this year no agree for anybody, no agree for anybody, no agree sleep. All of us they are awake by this time they listening to M.O.P. sleep of tongue. Wait till they contribute for the economy. This Nigeria, anything where you they do now, you guys add another work, join them. My neighbor now, Shawo, now runs get too. If she no catch online, she will catch offline. My guy, when they do Yahoo, he they thief too. If you no catch online, you catch offline. You guys they creative. Even for half concept, our keeper get injured. As you see other keeper they warm up. Now he start to the warm up. Say, I'm okay. You must get something doing. They could tell you say get 2 streams of income. You no go get one before you get 2. The only stream where there is Nigeria na stream of joy. What God cannot do, I go lie for you. Baba, graduate there now they pity for. See, Asoro wey study engineering, he dey choose kit, Rufus, say na runs boy. Engineer wey no fit near engine. Baba, this Lagos they lie. Even freedom way, traffic day. Why do they call am freedom way? My first attack, I got it in first tag, man. Bro, no farmer for farm city. Now hot food there. For farm city, those girls, they are very crazy. Sexual intercourse is very expensive in Lagos, man. And they tell you, say, how much for a night? He say 150,000 for natural resources given to us by nation. Now my pig don't stand, though your own just flat. God. Now I tell the guys, say, anywhere I come, now come. I left that wicked farm city. I go to Total, celebrate grace. Baba, Sangote do boys. Baba, Total girls, very customer friendly. DJ, I go Total. I ask the guys, say, how much for a night? I say 30K, but they do promo 25. Say, nice. Bro, with accommodation, that girl, now for my house. I tell the woman, say, let's go. And she senior me, and they fuck with respect. Mama, God, when you sleep with an older woman, you understand sexual transaction. We don't sleep with the woman. In the morning, I pay her 25 back. She said she give me one small infection. I said, don't bother yourself. I use 20K to cure her. 45,000, I remember 105. I put her for Bitcoin. It rise. Sense. Guy, na Lagos be this. Port Harcourt boy, Omale. Who be that? Wetin be him name? Baba tomorrow na sit at home o. Just dey spray and you know dey send money go village. Who be you? Who are you? M.O.P. M.O.P. puss. You don finish? Baba you dey come quick o. Throw bundle, no dey spray this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I do this one and I go. For this Lagos, they know they stay one place for long. If you stay one place for 1 year, back out from that place, they go see you finish. They go tell you, say, God bless your neighbor, be happy. God is your neighbor, will not allow you. God bless your neighbor, back out, now you go to pump water. I pack out from Sangotedo, I go Elaje, movement. I reach there, DJ, my neighbor now shall celebrate grace. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for my good. Yo, I dey wake up, I start when they call me fine boy, you don't shop, grace. See people where they say this year no agree for anybody, no agree for anybody, no agree sleep. All of us they are awake by this time they listening to M.O.P, sleep of tongue. Wetin did they contribute for the economy? This Nigeria, anything where you dey do now, you guys add another work, join am. My neighbor na Ashawo na runs get too. If she no catch online, she will catch offline. My guy wey dey do Yahoo, he dey thief too. If you no catch online, you catch offline. You guys dey creative. Even for half concept, our keeper get injury. As you see other keeper dey warm up, now he start to dey warm up. Say, I'm okay. You must get something doing. They go dey tell you say get 2 streams of income. You no go get one before you get 2. The only stream wey dey this Nigeria na stream of joy. What God cannot do, I go lie for you. Just dey spray and you know dey send money go village. Who be you? Who are you? M.O.P. M.O.P. puss. You don finish? Baba you dey come quick o. Throw bundle, no dey spray this thing. I pack out from Sangotedo, I go Elaje, movement. I reach there, DJ, my neighbor now shall celebrate grace. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for my good. Yo, I dey wake up, I start when they call me fine boy, you don't shop, grace. I shop and I shop. Well, good night, man.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.